So we pretty much started over, cut the whole floor out of the car. Once we figured out the rear suspension wasn't gonna work with a factory style setup, we were gonna have to modify the rear frame anyway, and just tying everything back together was easier to start over than using what was there. We're building all the subfloor today. That's all the pieces on the floor. We're getting ready to tack those together so we can fit them back into the frame and then figure out the motor mounts and tranny mount from there. It should handle all the power. It should. You can set the suspension up however you need to. Everything's adjustable. It'll be a well-rounded, solid car.
So my name is Tim Wilson. I come from a background of working in hot rod shops growing up. So we were working on setting up a 3-link. So this is a quick performance housing that came in bare. And so we made up our own bracketry for it. And essentially all we're really doing is we're making a very adjustable 3-link. You got 4 settings there. You got 4 settings there, and then we're gonna add this guy to it so that we can adjust the track bar up and down pretty much infinitely for wherever the car decides it wants to live. I think the only stock piece left on the car might be like a piece of sheet metal on the fender. That's about it.
So right now we're working on the motor mounts. We got everything mocked up in the car, got new plates and everything cut. We got everything fixtured. So we're doing final welding on everything. That'll set the motor in the car. We got it set super low, just above the scrub line of the car. So gonna get them welded back in the car. That'll place everything, and then we'll move on to transmission cross member and hopefully start on the cage.
What did you bring? LS Swap IS 300.
We're heading to my shop so we can start all the roll cage stuff, all the chassis stuff. We got a good start here with the frame and everything and mocking up most of the suspension, but we just have way more fabrication equipment at my shop, all the tubing benders and everything. So we're gonna go knock out the roll cage. So, see you guys later.
So we're over at Joe's shop. Joe's an expert fabricator, and he's doing the final work on the cage for us. The cage right now is probably 80% mocked up. We hope to have it done in the next few days. About an hour ago, my friends at ProCharger sent me a supercharger. So we're going to mock that up and make sure that any of the extra bars we put in the cage clear the supercharger in the application. So we'll get this ProCharger on and see what it looks like.